Nmap command. Don't forget to hit like. Share, subscribe to our channel for more content. -v this will perform a scan on the target IP and provide a more detailed output compared to the standard scan. When you run Nmap-SL, it does not perform any port scanning. Instead, it resolves the host names and simply lists the IP addresses. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is connectionless. The -SU option scans UDP ports to determine if they are open, closed, or filtered. Traceout command will perform a scan and trace the route of packets to the target IP, showing the intermediate routers along the way. When you run -OX option, Nmap will generate the scan results as an XML file. This can include all the details about the scan, such as open ports, service versions, host information. -N command will scan the target IP, but won't perform DNS lookups, displaying only the IP addresses and port information. -T3, normal the default setting, balances speed and stealth, providing an effective scan speed that works for most situations without being too aggressive. -T5, insane the fastest and most aggressive scan, can easily be detected by ID's IPS and can be problematic in unstable or slow networks. OS scan -limit will avoid attempting OS detection on hosts where it is unlikely to get reliable results, reducing unnecessary processing. -SZ, scan the target for zero-count services, such as printers, media servers, or other devices that use Bonjour on the network. -SO option in Nmap is used for protocol scan. This scan type allows you to detect which protocols are supported by a target host, instead of focusing on specific ports like TCP or UDP. -D command will run a basic scan with debug information to show more of the internal workings of the scan. -open scan the target IP and display only the open ports, without showing the closed or filtered ones. -V option in Nmap is used to display the version of Nmap you are running. -script HTTP trace option in Nmap is used to run a specific Nmap scripting engine, NSE, script designed to test for HTTP trace method vulnerabilities on the target. -script is equal to vulnerability option. Nmap will execute all available vulnerability scripts to scan for common security issues, including service misconfigurations, weak encryption protocols, outdated software with known vulnerabilities, other security issues related to the target services.